To explain types of fear. First one, acrophobia. Acrophobia means fear of heights. People who scared to see from heights. When people stand from heights and when they look down, that time they may feel this kind of fear, acrophobia, fear of heights. Not all of them, some of them, they may have this kind of acrophobia when they reach up to top height, and by looking down, standing taller buildings or flats, they feel this fear. And next one, fear of flying, aerophobia. Aerophobia means fear of flying. This one, aerophobia means people. This word is used. This word is used people to describe when they feel extreme fear in the flights, who are scared to fly in the flights. In aeroplane, when they want to travel from one country to another country, that time they have to go. When they have to go through flights, that time they get this fear of aerophobia. Aerophobia means fear for flying, fear for going through aeroplane, flights. And next one, Ailurophobia. Ailurophobia means fear of cats. Ailurophobia means fear of cats. Some people fear for cats, some people fear for dogs. So who are fear of cats? That word we call it as ailurophobia. Ailurophobia means fear of cats. And next one, fear of animals. Fear of animals, zoophobia. Zoophobia means fear of animals. It can be all the animals or some specific animal. Also, we can use this word zoophobia. And next one, xenophobia. Xenophobia means fear of strangers. Strangers, we already know strangers means if some people from other country, when they visit different countries, and for them these people are strangers. Example, fear of strangers who are new to our place in our country. Those are, we call them as strangers. When we visit other countries, that people, for them we are strangers. In the same way, when they visit in our country, they are strangers to us. So we fear for strangers. Some people, they feel. So at that time we use this word xenophobia. Xenophobia means fear of strangers. Strangers means when people visit from one country to another country. So that country people, for that country people, these people are strangers. For example, if we visit other country abroad, for them we are strangers. In the same way, when that people visit in our country, they are strangers to us. So we fear of strangers. And pyrophobia. Pyrophobia means fear of fire. Some people, they may feel, some people, they may get fear of fire. When they see fire, they feel extreme fear. And next one, nyctophobia. Nyctophobia means fear of dark. Nyctophobia, fear of dark during night. We usually feel fear of dark because when there is light, we don't feel fear, but dark, usually we feel fear. Some people, they don't bother even if it is dark or light, but some of them, they may feel fear of dark, nyctophobia. That word we call it as nyctophobia, means fear of dark. People who scare of darkness, being in dark, they may feel fear. And next one, trypanophobia. Trypanophobia means fear of injection. Trypanophobia means fear of injection. Some people, they fear for taking tablets, and some people fear of getting injection. So, to get injection, that word we call it as trypanophobia, means fear of injection. Some people, they have this trypanophobia to get injection when they have sick or some reasons they need to take injection, but people, they feel this trypanophobia. And next one, Magerocophobia, fear of cooking. This word bit tough to pronounce. Magerocophobia. I tried my best to pronounce this word. Magerocophobia. Magerocophobia means fear of cooking. They may feel some kind of fear while cooking. If they make mistake, what other will think, something like that, but they fear of cooking. Magerocophobia means fear of cooking. And next one. Is fear of work. People feel fear of work, fear of fear of task that have given in their workplace. They feel this argophobia. Some people, they feel to deal with those tasks. That word we call it as argophobia. Argophobia means fear of work. Some people they get fear of work. Argophobia means people fear of work in their workplace. Some tasks that have given to them and related to their work, their task. Some people, they may feel this argophobia in their workplace. And next one, fear of studying. Sophophobia. Sophophobia means fear of studying. Fear of studying or learning. Usually, some people, sometimes when we were kids, we used to have this kind of sophophobia, means fear of studying, learning, or studying something. I hope you understand this all types of fear. Thank you. Bye for now.